Hold on. Okay, I have Skype completely maxed out on my volumes, dude.
I haven't changed any of my things. Are you playing music?
Yeah, I'm playing music, but
Is your music turned up as well? Are they both at 100%? If so, you're not going to be able to hear me. I have
I gotta
music
share
at...
my screen.
Okay. I usually keep music at 50 and Skype at 100.
Go ahead and say something and look at your volume. It's like you're like hitting down here. I got it maxed out.
Wada!
Like no matter what I do, you only get like about up here.
Testing. That's maxed out on my end now.
Yeah, I don't know.
I usually only keep my mic at about 80, and it's at 100 now. There you go. Your speakers are at like 20% on Skype right there. See it? The slider? Your speakers are down really low. This is going to probably blow your earballs off now.
Oh, there we go. I can hear you way better now.
Okay, I'm going to turn my mic down a little bit.
No, I hear you. Don't turn it down.
What? When I'm on call with other people, they always complain that I'm too loud.
Oh.
So I'm back where my mic is normally now.
Okay. Oh, jeez. Say something now.
Hello.
I was on the wrong device.
Oh, that'll look good. Okay.
Sorry, everybody's ears just like blew out. Everybody, Kyle's awake.
Hello.
Are you awake?
I need to start my stream up. Oh, wait, what? I'm streaming?
You're streaming?
Oh, okay. I forgot that I just hit the start button or something. Weird. I go over to my dashboard. It's like, yeah, you're streaming, dude.
Yeah, dude, I crashed. I watched a mini for a little bit and I crashed. So, I got all the LA River stuff done, but I got some more market to get done.
No worries.
Be done in probably about 30 minutes. Do you want to go ahead and take a review of LA for me?
You goddamn right I do. I'm all merged up. I gotta get coffee, though.
I know, then do a pass on city. And the last thing we'll do is a pass on market and launch.
Cool.
Just wiping things off my whiteboard left and right. Yeah, I bet you guys, sorry. They're like, oh, I wanted to hear Kyle. Is he super quiet now? Say something, Kyle.
Hey, testing. It actually might not even, they might not be able to hear me now.
Oh.
If it's recording from the other device. If you've been recording that device the whole time. You'd have to change your thing in OBS to pick up the Realtek. Oh, wait. Shouldn't it be on digital?
I hear you a lot better when it's going on
Oh, okay.
to my headset.
Okay. Well, you can just change that in OBS, and they'll be able to hear me.
Okay. How do I do that?
In your settings under audio.
Audio. There we go.
Yeah, so the desktop audio device, the first drop down, just match the whatever Skype is, and then they'll be able to hear me again.
You guys hear him now?
Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Hey, Martin. Hello? No? Oh. Check your OBS. Does it spike up when I'm saying something?
No.
On the
Maybe I
output?
should just stop streaming.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, I might need to restart or something.
Alright, we're going to restart the stream. Hold on.
Maybe the entire application. I'm not sure. It's going good, Martin. Just got up from a long slumber. Hey, Oscar. We're finishing up the last couple things for our new levels, and we're gonna try and launch our update tonight. Probably the next hour or two.
Say something now.
Hey.
Keep going.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Okay, cool. Oscar, just depends, man. My sleeping schedule tends to sort of walk through the day cycle, because I'm usually awake longer than 24 hours at a time. Well, not awake longer than 24 hours. My day usually lasts longer than 24 hours, including sleep. So, give it a week or two, and I'll be awake in the middle of the night. Give it another couple of weeks, I'll be awake in the middle of the day. Slowly moves about. I'm an anytime owl.
Okay. Let's go back into Unity.
I enjoy it. Feels like it's my default.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello, Death by Monkey. Can you hear me as well?
It's good.
Alright, I'm gonna get some Java. Java the Hutt. What's that?
Death by Monkey, can my music go up a little bit more? Because I myself can't even hear it.
Your audio should be recording directly from the device, Devin. Your volume should have no impact on it.
It's listed down below in a link.
Oh, cool. Hey, Death by Monkey. I have a name, you know. Not just Devin's brother. Hey, thanks for the follow, Death by Monkey.
I have a name. Thanks for the follow.
Martin double followed on both of his accounts. What a bro.
Oh, that's illegal.
Yeah.
I'm telling.
I think that's gaming the system, man.
Ooh, he's stealing.
Thanks for the follow, guys. Hey, I won't tell anybody. I just get a free follower. Do you ever... Wait, you use your Keurig still, right, Devin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you ever overpack the container?
We don't use. I don't use that.
Oh.
But it used to. Yeah.
Yeah, Oscar. The person in Skype with me is Devin. Devin Olson.
Devin.
That is my brother.
I'm a developer, and my name happens to be Devin.
No, Toik. Don't leave me.
Toik, don't go. Please. Please, Toik.
I will seriously miss you.
We need you. Is he going to bed?
He's going to reverse the follow train. He's going to unfollow.
Oh, really? Yes. Okay. He's probably upset because how long I left the stream up on my end while I slept.
No problem, Death by Monkey.
What do you say? I should just open up your stream.
Thanks, Kyle, for waking up Devin. I almost lost my sanity. He was away for so long, and there was this faint buzzing noise. Hell yeah, Oscar. I love it. Best brother NA.
Yeah, try.
He was lonely. That monkey missed you, man.
Like, I think we were talking. No, actually, when I headed out, there was only 2 people on the stream. So, but I think it was him. He's been sitting here the entire time, and I feel really bad.
How long did you actually get to sleep?
Hey, thanks for the follow, Oscar. How long did I get to sleep?
Yeah.
So I fell asleep at like, I don't know generally when I fell asleep. I was just laying there with Amelia and then crashed.
You left your mic on the whole time.
No, I didn't actually.
Oh no.
Yeah.
There were ghosts, I swear.
I think it just has a humming or something.
Maybe when it's muted. Was it in the up position or something?
Johnny, reboot, just followed me, dude.
Yeah, dude, that's Martin.
Shh.
You got 2 followers
You
from
just
Martin
ruined
too.
it. It was supposed to be the best thing ever. I was gonna lift this like new celebrity like profile that he's created.
Did you guys know that ghosts watch you sleep?
I don't know if that's creepy. Like if they didn't act on it, like if they didn't act on me while I was sleeping, that's fine. I would presume that they would be watching me sleep. But what a boring existence for them.
I'd be such a major troll ghost. I'd do the light flipping and, you know, the flinging of glasses and stuff like that.
But like, what if like, you know, that's like a finite thing you can only do. Like
Yeah.
after a while, like you couldn't do it no more. That'd be just like the worst.
Oh, yeah. Like, the longer that you're a ghost, the more isolated you are and the crazier you get.
Mm-hmm.
That would be no good.
I always thought of a great ending to like a sort of Hitchcock film would be that like the guy eventually dies, but come to find out that nobody actually dies. It's just the body stops working, but the mind is fully conscious still, and everyone's just stuck in the ground.
I think that's kind of what a lot of people think of death. Like an eternal darkness where you can't do anything.
Everyone's just in there screaming, "I'm not dead! I'm not dead! Let me out!"
Toik, that actually sounds kind of nice. Just eating random fruit and laying around in the hallways of your house. I'd enjoy that.
Do you get to randomly throw it at things?
That could get messy, man.
Just be like, "I don't want this fruit no more!"
You eat food? What if it just passed right through you, man? You're astral.
Food eats you.
This level's so laggy.
Oh, I see. You start with first, huh?
Who? What'd you say?
I said you start with city first, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to do a recording on that. That's basically it.
Yeah.
We haven't really checked any performance on it yet since I've done my updates. So
The draw calls and tries and verts were really good numbers.
no, you said down in the tunnel before I collapsed the subways down into those meshes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, the
that
lights, yeah.
Yeah, it was pretty gnarly. So
Yeah, the
I
lights
just wanted
were
to see
heavy.
if that affected it.
Okay. Once this is done baking, I'll give it a try. Man, 5.2, I just read the entire changelog for 5.2. It's in release candidate 1 now, so...
Pointless. Absolutely pointless.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. We have per pixel reflection probes now.
Oh, per pixel?
Per pixel.
So it's not vertex coloring? That's fucking awesome.
Yep, and unlimited numbers of light probes can now
What?
shade a single model from different
What?
angles. Yeah.
I guess that is true. You could bring it up to a per pixel level because it's just a condensed point of light.
Yep,
Just a light sample.
it's moving to screen space, basically. So that's their first setup for full screen space reflections, SSR. So the next update that they have will have full screen space reflections with a fallback to light probes where screen space data is unavailable.
Oh my god, I just creamed my pants.
Yeah, there's so much stuff in 5.2. It looks really nice.
That's amazeballs.
Yeah. What's up, Gunfighter? Morning, people. It's fucking midnight, man. Where are you at? There we go.
pouring myself some coffee.
Good. All right, Oscar. Thanks for hanging out, man.
Night, Oscar.
Death by monkey. Unless you did something crazy to get banned. You know what, Devin? If people are playing this game with performance issues too, they probably won't have real-time lighting on either. Shadows, I mean. For when they go down to that subway.
Oh, so it won't even affect them.
Probably not. But it,
So why,
it didn't.
why would they have performance issues at that point?
With the amount of lights and meshes that there were before, it didn't seem like it was very heavy down there now. My GPU didn't spin up like that mad.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because before it was like
It looked like there
under
were.
those each LED state was exposing and hiding like a mass amount of meshes.
It looks like there were more lights, I think, too. Just raw lights, no?
Nope, not one light has been removed.
Huh.
Except for in the subway shops.
Oh, okay.
There's one light that was removed on every shop.
I'm missing some light probes here. I don't know what you did. I'm scared to ask, though. This level is so laggy to move around in the scene view.
Really?
I'm not really sure why. I've been in larger levels.
Death by Monkey. He wrote a novel. That was pretty funny.
Murder their face. That sounds mean. That's a lot of light probes. Holy shit.
You're a lot of light probes. Yeah, we need to lower them out in city. I think I was just testing to see what it would look like with a bunch. Oh, that's cool. You moved my light probe sample to one of the rooms. It's not a bad idea.
Sorry, what?
Or maybe I did that. You know the light probe reflective sphere?
The light probe reflective sphere.
Not light probe, sorry. The reflective probes.
Okay, yeah.
Reflective sphere.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I thought I had that in like the middle of a corridor here in Market, but it got moved into one of the rooms, which has a nice softer light.
Oh yeah, there was some artifacting in the build. It was picking up some blackness. Yeah, cool.
Prefabs. Props. Windows.
$28 streams, damn. Yeah, I'd call that success.
Who?
Death by Monkey is a mod on 28 different streams on Twitch.
Wow. No collider tagging makes no sense.
Yeah, right. It'll just basically have no effect.
Oops, not grass, glass.
No matter what I do, these walls right at the entrance of the subway remain black. It looks like these were the ones that were anchor overrided to the subway.
Yeah.
Did you have these looking proper, or was that just an artifact you couldn't overcome?
You might want to unanchor them at that point. Anchor them to the city.
With the city, yeah. Kind of stick out like a sore thumb with that.
Yeah, I'm not sure what to do right there.
I guess none is probably the best.
I guess we could try light mapping just those.
Yeah, we could do that. I actually have a feeling with 5.2 that light probes are going to be something that are packaged with prefabs. Light probe universes will become a thing of the past. The big grids.
Yeah, well, that would seem ridiculous. They were like, you just gotta place these. I was like, what?
Yeah. Just do it like on a per prefab level. Get maybe even at vertex positions, like every other vertex or something like that. Try and capture the lighting right near the surface.
I've said this in the past, but it really only makes sense if they're going to have nested prefabbing.
Yeah, for sure. Ooh, that's a pretty red. Subway looks a lot better down here. I like the illuminated look.
Oh, that helped. Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty impressive, Death by Monkey.
Oh, the streams?
Mm-hmm.
This select by name is really helpful.
Your selection things, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going insane. A couple of those parts. Man.
Click, 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 click.
Yeah. So I finally broke down and marked it. I was like, dude.
Help!
Need some tools, man. We got some walls in here.
There we go. Pillar short. So we select everything containing the name LOD.
1 and 2. Okay.
Select 0 fractured.
Moving to calculate.
Ew, I farted. It's gross.
Telling. I don't know who I'm telling.
Get him. Oh, that actually does stink. Damn. I think we might be able to get by without light mapping these. So I was thinking, what about the fractured pieces? Would those need light mapping as well?
They would.
Means we'd have to ensure that before baking light mapping that we go through and enable the pieces that require.
Yeah, I know. It's yeah. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah. There is a tool that I made a while back for that, but I don't really like it. The Mass LOD Manager. Enable all LOD groups. Feels clunky. Oh shit. There's a texture seam issue and the stream catches up if you glance at it. What's up, Afterlife? Working on some final touches for these maps before we launch tonight. It's exciting.
Oh, texture issue. Okay.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I seen it.
Okay, cool. Probably doesn't really matter for right now, but
No, it does.
okay.
City Park.
Solid, baby.
UV. I have a huge whiteboard on my wall, you guys, that I write all these little bugs on.
Yep, our update should be coming out tonight, unless something seriously goes wrong between now and when we want to release. The last version is from February, early February. Big update coming out. Massive update. Cornbridge1, thanks for the follow, dude.
Yeah, how much time after this release would it take to tweak that update or that full screen thing then?
It's already done.
Oh, well then.
Yeah, Afterlife, if you hit O, you can pull up the options menu and go to video, and there's an option for, well, I mean, there's a ton of options there, but there's a toggle for full screen. And mouse sensitivities and controls.
Oh, Kyle, shit.
Yeah, what's up?
Custom effect sounds in Park.
Oh, okay.
Don't forget that.
The lining up the,
Yeah.
yeah. Nah, it's fine. I'm probably just gonna leave my stream name alone until we start streaming gameplay, and
Yeah.
then it'll become go from development to gameplay. Yeah, Afterlife. We initially had the escape button, but there's actually an override in the Unity web player that if you hit escape, it will force it out of full screen mode and it will unlock your mouse as like a safety fallback in case a game tries to capture the user's mouse and not let them out. So there's nothing we can really do about that. We had to stop using escape for our options button.
I think I remember that was a big thing. I was like, what?
Yeah.
I was like, dude.
I'm
isn't
sorry,
that
I cannot do anything here.
I was like, this is ridiculous. Every game uses escape.
Yep.
My grandma knows what escape is.
On the standalone game, we should probably have it be escape still.
Oh,
or maybe
sure.
both of them, so that if somebody's transitioning.
About 6 years to lead up to 2.0.
Oh, Musars, yeah.
Musars.
Nice, Afterlife. Wait till this update, dude. We've got performance updates, graphic updates, just...
But more importantly, Afterlife, did you shoot a bazooka at the billboards on top of the buildings and knock them down? That's my favorite part. If we can get around not re-recording those pieces, and they're already still there, let's not.
Okay.
The game is free to play. There's a link below. It will remain that way forever. There's some paid features that are optional if you want to get around not having to use the in-game currency that you earn and purchase the weapons now and there. But other than that, it's always 100% free to play.
Yep, nothing behind a pay gate that you can't unlock normally. With in-game currency.
I never understood that. It's like, hey, let's make it harder for people to see all of our work.
Man, mobile games are just notorious for it. I hate that. Oh, hey, bookshelves. With books.
Afterlife, you're absolutely right. We haven't yet done a second UX pass, but that is something we're going to reintroduce. We had those sort of tags in 1.0. Like if you were running without using shift for X amount of time, a little flag would come in and say, hey, you should use shift to sprint, you know. So we're going to reintroduce all those, but we're going to reintroduce it so it's tied to the back end of our website, our CMS, so we can just fill those out with conditional comments in a web form.
Kevin,
I know, that's a good idea. No, you can't.
did you see on the stream this book?
What?
It just says drugs and it looks like Little Miss Piggy on the front.
Oh, you're increasing the quality of the texture.
I was gonna see if I could. Oh, it was 1024. Weird.
I doubt your Windows 98 will run this.
He's trolling.
Afterlife, it will be a progressive experience tied to each account. So we can take analytic samples and determine, you know, through an optional please don't show this anymore, how many times people prefer not to see that anymore, and then from there just take control of it. And on a per account level, after X amount of times of seeing X messages that we set on a per message level in our content management system, they'll go away and they won't come up anymore. That way the user experience is fluid. Or as Kyle said, oh my god, so much code he just said I have to write.
I wasn't even listening.
Nice. I know me and Kyle talk about that every once in a while because like we tell people, give us your ideas, and then like people start giving us ideas and they're like, yeah, we already thought about that one. We thought about that one, and after a while, it kind of feels like we're just being a dick. But
Yeah.
honestly, we've really thought about a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, there was an entire year we didn't do any programming or art. We just talked and thought about it. Yeah, sorry about that, Afterlife. Chrome's a dick.
Yeah.
I don't know what their problem is, but they just decided one day that they don't like the plugin. They don't like any sort of plugin like that.
Yeah, they've discontinued them all.
I think that it eliminates like some older versions of Flash and stuff. But that's why we're hastily moving to our EXE. So, I don't know. I guess in a way that kind of helps us with sales in the EXE.
True.
Because we're not really saying that you can't play this. I mean, you can always use your other browsers or enable it to the options that we have listed on the website.
I'm honestly happy that they're dropping plugin support.
Yeah, it's going to go away.
It's forcing Unity to do things like WebGL.
Yeah, they gave plenty of notice, but the fact that they're the only ones doing it.
They probably thought everybody would jump on ship with them. Hey guys, look what we're doing. Everybody drop plugin support.
It's just too early, I felt. We know that, I know why they're doing it. They're trying to get everyone to move to WebGL. And if they're going to be the ones to take the initiative to do that, that's fine. But, man, WebGL's just not really ready, I feel. Not for what it is that you can do through the web player.
Yep.
Yeah, Afterlife, it really will, because we can extend it out to so many different more platforms, like Steam. From our code base, the ability to work, that's about it. WebGL, if you were to look at all the features of WebGL, feature by feature, it's not missing anything. But in a collection, in a whole, like, to be able to pull off the frames that we need, I don't believe WebGL can do it quite yet. But I'm speculating quite a bit there because we haven't really hit the WebGL build button.
I did back in beta, and it was broken beyond even like looking at. I'm waiting. I'm not going to really look at WebGL, I don't think, until WebAssembly has been incorporated by all of the browsers, and we have proper multi-threading in a WebGL environment.
Yeah.
Once we have that, it could actually beat web player in performance if you're using multi-threading properly.
Yep. Afterlife, yes. Actually, so, believe it or not, through our destruction recording system, we can extrapolate upon that into what we believe can be our own hand-rolled editor, which will be string-based, basically. So we provide, our assets within, like a web player or exe form. Nothing that they can actually take back to an object format into their 3D studios. But they could use our interface of our custom editor to, build maps and share them because they'll be string-based with their friends through our website, and they can all play it. So we'll have a bunch of different terrain templates and all of our assets for trees, and it'll be more or less them just placing them and we capturing the positions.
Shit out the entire level in a giant JSON string, and good to go. Whatever it is.
Yeah. Because, I mean, anybody that's already playing the game will have all of these assets that they're laying down within that sort of pre-wrapped editor experience. So capturing the positions in what you said, a delta form, you can get that down pretty far.
Yep. The changes, yeah.
Yeah. we can get that in a really, really small format and share it across the community. Oh yeah, no, that's what makes games last for years, dude. Community generated content. Fuck yeah.
It's going to be a closed modding environment, Afterlife, similar to like Halo Forge, as opposed to allowing people to load up their own model files and stuff like that, but it'll still be pretty customizable.
Yeah, we have licensing problems because, I mean, we don't own... I mean, we purchase these assets, but we don't... A lot of these assets, but we don't, like, own them, so we can't resell them. Or, even worse, just give them away.
Yeah.
We can use them in our game that we sell, but we can't sell the assets directly. Or just let them leak.
We have so many tags and layers now, fuck me. We have one free layer that we can use out of our 32.
Better make good use of it. I say paper. Yeah, we should,
Here, actually.
Is that something you want to look at investing time into, is a new tagging system?
Yes, I would love to. Just completely rip out the entire tags. We have to use the layers, unfortunately, but tags we can get away with.
You can even get away with like a component. Ah, you fucking headphones.
For layers?
Yeah.
It's built into the physics engine, and that's the only way that I can have things ignore physics, basically. I could set my own system up for it, but it would be really clunky compared to that.
He's got a question for you, Kyle.
Because Unity only allows 32 layers. And we have used all of them.
Because you're being a naughty, naughty boy. A very, very naughty boy.
Toik, I think it thought you were spamming. I'm not sure why.
And that's why I don't have Nightbot on my channel, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, famous last words, right? Also, the trolls just start coming in. Spam! Nightbot loves you.
Yeah, Afterlife, I had a lot of fun playing around in Forge, making your own game like modes and stuff. It's great. The amount of stuff that you could do with just their assets was pretty much unlimited. I saw like a soccer game with the hammers. That was really fun.
Okay, 4 more items.
That's looking pretty good. Oh, it's super dark over here.
Afterlife smoking is bad for you. Wait for me.
Drugs are bad. Mm-hmm. I'm not sure if it makes you happy, but I just took down a ticket called Paper Bullet Tag.
You just what?
I made myself a ticket for paper bullet tags.
Oh, duh. Actually, I would prefer cloth more than anything. I haven't had any paper instances.
Okay.
That's not true. I guess it's or those.
Could make it kind of interchangeable, usable for both.
Yeah, cardboard boxes. Use that. But what type of paper? You have to be special, like colors and yeah. My God, that shadow distance.
You call it cloth?
No, I was just watching your stream. You went down the tunnel.
Yeah, would you rather cloth or paper if I was to add a another tag? Okay.
Absolutely cloth.
Cloth. Why is it so bright down there?
I'm looking at these plastic crates and I have a note to make them destructible, but they're like plastic milk crates. And I'm not sure if they would just explode if a bullet hit them.
Probably.
Would they?
I think so.
Yeah, they probably would.
It would probably melt where the bullet hit and just shatter.
I was thinking you would just start like chipping at it.
Where are they at? How big are they?
Those little blue and red plastic food crates.
In market by like the stands?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't think those need to be destructible, dude. That's probably overkill. The chairs, that could be a good destruction.
I should definitely do that.
Yeah.
Okay. And that table, maybe?
Which one? Oh, in like the market
area.
stand?
Yeah, we're still talking about the same area.
Okay, yeah.
So the market stands are destructible, but the table is not. Oh, I know I did the table not, because there's things on it.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense.
We haven't done a recording paths. Whatever, we're making more work for ourselves.
Quality.
Okay, small crates will not become destructible, and that's just pointless. They're so small. That would actually hurt performance if anything. Okay. Fixed position of electric pole custom effects.
I think I need to add some code for that.
Yeah, I'll save that. But for right now, it just spawns in the middle of the pole and stays there.
Yeah, I'm probably going to add an XYZ offset.
I wonder if I could just parent it and play awake.
Add a parent and then the child of the particle is just in a different area. I mean, you could do that.
I'd have to remove the custom effect. Oh shit! I'll do it right now. I gotta do recalculate on all these custom effects.
What is this light coming from?
Down there?
Yeah, is it from outside?
It's the store above it.
It's so bright. The light's just bleeding down. Oh
yeah.
Wow, yeah. Damn. Fuck. How could we block that?
You would have to deattach that portion of the subway and use an anchor override, but then I've already done it once. But then it just like suddenly just stops. Like the light just stops, right? And it looks really weird. So I just left it the way it was. I was accepting the inevitable.
Like in game, it's like sunny down here.
Oh, I don't know about that. Is it because we have light probes in areas that we're not supposed to be actually probing anything?
No, it's those point lights. You're 100% right. The range on them extends past the bottom of the subway.
Oh, you want to maybe tweak the settings on those ones alone?
Yeah.
Won't
We
break
might be able to
though.
get... Actually, yeah. I think we might be able to get the effect by just increasing the intensity and lowering the distance. We'll see.
Yeah, flipping the settings.
That's kind of weird. I thought that if you had shadows enabled, like that wouldn't really happen. Oh, the bounce intensity is really high too. Oops. Ah.
Don't forget to turn down the books.
Oh, yeah, I put them back down to 1024. I just wanted to see what it looked like. Okay, I can't do this in play mode.
Well, I guess while it's updating all custom effects, I can smoke a cigarette.
Mm-hmm.
So excited. You feel solid about this, man?
Oh, I do. Very.
I'd say we sat on it for a while.
Yeah. I'll be right back. 1 sec, too. from other objects. I'm trying to lower the scale as well, see what it does. Just for the subway.
Yeah.
Delicious coffee.
You can turn your mic down now, man.
Oh, is it super loud?
Yeah, it's super loud now.
How's that?
It's the same. I can't control the sound on my Skype now,
Uh-oh.
like we just did before.
Is it set to a different device now?
And it's set the headset. That's weird.
I'm back down at about 75% volume for my mic.
Yeah, it's my Skype. It's not letting me control. I'll be right back.
Okay. Ooh, very dark.
There we go. Much better.
Hola.
Wow, you're not playing any music? That's interesting.
I am.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And everything on my computer has to be opened twice. Every application's.
Like the first time you double click it, it just doesn't open?
Oh, okay, I'm just not getting any sound. Oh, that's weird. Fuck you, computer. Well, thank you, sir.
So does this mean that we need to get some HD webcams and set up cams while we're streaming?
I already have one.
Damn. Seems like all of the top people do.
You don't have one?
I do, but it's like 720 and it's low FPS.
No, I got a, I'm pointing at it, I just can't say its name.
Logitech.
No, it's a Canon. It's the one we used for Amelia's birth.
Oh, okay.
It's actual camcorder, but you can plug in your computer. It's HD
Makes sense, yeah.
webcam too. So it's got a 57 times zoom, so you guys can really see like the little dimples on my face.
Just run it at 57 times zoom right on your face all day.
Yep.
Look at your nose hairs.
HD. Vixa HFR 500. Actually, I wonder what would happen if I did that. Add video capture device. So device, turn on. Bling-a-ling-a-ling.
not the u2.be. Of course, Toik. Everyone knows that. I just disabled all of the repetition timeouts. Death by monkey. I love our OBG logos on those signs.
Yeah.
That's great.
Need something.
Who the hell just followed me? DBMFL. Thanks, man. Oh, Unity crash. Okay.
Oh.
Haven't had one of those in a bit. Oh god.
You didn't save anything.
We'll see. Okay. It's saved. Just gotta figure out what point. Toy.
What do you say?
It was well timed. Linked to video. Family Guy, the reporter dude, going wah 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 wah. After I crashed. Wonder if there's a memory leak in baking. I've done a lot of bakes. Nah, doubt it. That is capping my CPU out. All cores. Jesus Christ. Yeah, we've had reports of that afterlife. People having pretty bad visibility in the park. We'll see. I believe that we've lowered the scale on the billboards of the flowers. They were a bit oversized. It's been a bit since I've worked on park though, so I can't really remember all the things that have happened since February. Definitely keep that in mind though. Yeah, it should be easier on this version.
Kyle just added a new thing that needs to be recorded in Market. Sorry.
Yep. What's that?
Satellite dishes. I just set them up for you, so they'll be ready for recording.
Oh, okay.
They'll be just like the planters. They don't need to be reparented. They just need to fall off the buildings.
With the new updates to recording since last time you saw it, it's actually super easy to record now.
I know. You're just better at it.
Okay. Just because I built it. You're better at setting up destruction, though.
That's why I did it.
Oh, is it done? What's it look like? Oh my god. Don't judge me.
Then who, Kyle? Who shall I judge?
With Death by Monkey, did your name just change? And then change back? What the fuck? You're two different people. That's weird. Why you do this? Yeah, dude, that's crazy. You must be a Twitch god. Kind of scared. Are you gonna ban me? Please don't ban me. Fuck you, thing. It's either way too bright or way too dark.
Yeah, man. looking a lot better, dude. Good job.
Thanks, man. So, I discovered something about the light mapping system.
Yeah?
There's a
Oh,
component.
go back. Oh, no, that was just the stream. Never mind. Sorry, go ahead.
Oh. There's a thing called a light map component. You can like right-click in your project, like you're going to create a material or something, and you can right-click create light map parameters. And you can actually customize parameters for your light map baking on specific meshes
Wow.
instead of customizing your entire level. So the subway now has its own custom light map parameters,
Oh,
and
cool.
I was able to really fine-tune stuff down here. I can see that, Death by Monkey. Do you know if there are sort of plugins that I could have that are pre-built for Nightbot as opposed to constructing everything myself? I've seen, like, I don't know if you watch League of Legends at all, but there's the streamer Box that has like the point systems and like lotteries and stuff like that. Do you know if he built that all himself? Then you could do something like that, and like gamble your points and stuff like that. Is that custom rolled, or is that something that you can just go download somewhere? You have to have your own bot. Okay. I might look into that. That sounds like a lot of fun to me. Being a programmer. We could roll our own OBG bot, Nevin.
That's awesome.
Oops. Yeah, thanks for the info, man. I'll probably look into that once these updates have died down a little bit. If I'm looking for something to do, that'd probably be fun. We could tie in things like, could do like exclamation point current server or something if I'm playing Combat Extreme, and it'll print out the actual server that I'm playing in, the ID, and then it
that's amazing.
spits out that URL, right? And they could just click it right in the Twitch chat to join. That would be really cool. I'm gonna do a build and see what City Park is like on size after this lighting change, and then I'm just gonna record it. Actually, I should see what it's like before, huh?
Look at that train. What's it doing right there? What the fuck?
Were you seeing in scene view?
I'm watching your stream.
Was it in scene view or in game view?
Scene view.
The scene view depth buffer is pretty fucked. If it was Z fighting you were seeing.
It's gone. You're right.
Yeah. Once you focus on something.
Oh, I see. Yeah. You're right. Do you got to remind you about something though?
What's that?
The market alley electric poles, the wires, man.
Yeah, I had a thought about that. We can enable brake forces so that when they pull too far apart, it'll just snap the wire for now.
Okay, so I'm going to add that to my list as something you're going to look at when you do the recording for the satellite dishes.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, adding that to right now.
And I had that thought because while reading through the giant changelog in 5.2, the beta release candidate, they had a bug fix where there was some NaN, not a number, leaks into the physics system on configurable joints that had brake torques and forces of infinity, which is what those wires are. So maybe if we even put those brake torques at like 1,000,000 or something instead of infinity, it might not introduce those not a number if that's the bug that they're referring to.
Okay.
So I could try that first before snapping the wires. But ultimately, I think the wire snap would still look pretty good. And City Park is at 18.1 megabytes right now. So let's try to build with the new changes.
Oh, I think it meant post build. What?
Nope. This isn't, I wouldn't call this an optimized pass either. This is just trying to get that subway looking better with the GI bouncing.
Yep.
So I'll check out the build log after this and see what that's coming from.
Okay, I'm almost done with all the textures set to the correct platform sizes for market. That was the final one we needed to do.
Nice. Death by Monkey, I think it's going to be kind of tough for us to get sub buttons until we start streaming.
Oh, he knows.
Gameplay.
We've been joking about my UI all day.
Oh, okay.
It's kind of like an ongoing joke.
I don't think I've seen any game devs with sub buttons yet.
That's purely why I put it up there. It's so funny. Almost there, guys.
Just a little more. The guy that's #1 right now on Game Dev has 78,000 lifetime views with 46 people concurrent watching him right now with no sub button. Looks like he's making a game in like fucking Microsoft Word. Jesus Christ.
Okay, let's do a
Nice, okay.
vertical recalculation.
Death by Monkey, that's not too bad. If we can convince a fraction of our Facebook fans to just make Twitch accounts and follow us, I mean.
Yeah, I already added a tab to our Facebook. That's, I think, partially why a lot of viewers come in and go on your channel now, because they're just peeking, see what's going on. They don't have chat ability until they can register.
Right.
I don't think the view, because I had to use a custom Facebook app to bring in Twitch, actually has any link to like log in.
Right. to try and make a conversion on them.
Yeah, so I'll need to roll that in somehow.
Okay. Or is it only mine that's linked?
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if there's some API where we can detect if one of us is online and show that one.
That would be a custom app. I can build a custom app for us.
Oh, okay, Death by Monkey. 2K7's UIs were all the rage. Here we go. We're building park right now.
Hey guys, if you haven't hit follow yet, do so now.
Or else. Oh, okay. Yeah, that UI style really caught on. Nice. Keep people occupied.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Spyware HR, dude, thanks for the follow. Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting that. Park is now 11.6 megabytes.
Down or up?
Total. Much down. Dropped like 8 megs.
Wow.
I don't know why. And I don't think I really did anything.
You haven't done any recording, right?
All the old recordings still there, so it's not like missing that file size, but no, I just need to re-record.
Well, if all the old recordings are still there, then and they still work, let's not do any recording.
Oh, okay.
I had just gone to the trees and I had hit apply to one or two of the tree types, and I thought, oh crap, did I just kill the recordings?
Nope. The recordings are all broken from the prefab references. They're all bolded.
Excellent.
The one or two that you hit apply on will now have the recording added to the prefab, but it's not going to update the others in the scene. Yeah, Death by Monkey. I'm planning to just ride the long haul. If it takes me a couple years, I don't really mind. I'll probably just be streaming game dev while I do game dev indefinitely. Even if it's a different game or if it's for work or whatever. As long as I'm not breaking an NDA, I'll probably be streaming my development. I'm a patient person. There's probably some tutorial out there for setting up Twitch stream point systems. Add a loyalty system to your Twitch TV channel. How to set up modbot loyalty. Could probably follow one of these one afternoon. I want to construct it myself though.
Okay, you gotta remind me again, what is the best way to play a sound during a destruction, like the oil barrels?
Does it have a custom effect that you're playing already with the particle?
Mm-hmm.
So there's an SFX rollout in that particle, or in that custom effect, that you can just drag audio clips into.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Then it'll get sent over to the audio system.
Oh yeah, that pooling audio system you have. Nice.
Yep. Unity. Scenes mesh. Whew, that's eating 8.8 megs of that. Half the file size too.
So I'm getting ready to push the custom effect update.
Woo! Don't fall Aleppo? What's he talking about?
Do you hear a buzzing noise when I put myself on mute?
No, not that I've heard before. I just paused my music. Try it. Try muting yourself. I mean, it's not a buzzing. It's hard to explain. I don't know what else it sounds like. It's just the ever so slight sound of air. Like the white noise just goes up a teeny bit. I'm not dying on you. What do you mean Devin's gone? He's right here, man.
I'm here. I'm just working. I got dual monitors up, so sometimes I'm working on the other monitor. And I also go downstairs and smoke cigarettes, so. Kyle just woke up. He's gonna be up for a long time.
Oh, God, yeah.
That's how this whole show works, is that we merge hours at some point, but we're always up.
I'll probably actually be up all day tomorrow. All day tonight and all day tomorrow. I woke up at, what, 10 p.m. or something? 11 p.m.? Weird. I don't notice it very much on my headphones. Like, I had to actually pause all the sounds on my computer to be able to notice anything. That's probably why I don't notice it, is I'm always listening to music when I'm talking to you, so.
It
A
must
little bit of
overpower
white
my
noise.
music.
Yeah, I
Yes.
think it by far overpowers it. Damn, this is a big build. Pretty much everything had a change in the project. All the bundles are being rebuilt. How exciting. Oh, baby. Come on, build. Holy shit. This is taking forever. Oh, wow. It actually finished right then. I just gotta bitch and moan more. Alright, let's try the destruction in here. Make sure it's all still good. Ooh, we might want to fix the backend upload for the individual files before releasing this update. It's not properly placing it in folders.
When we do releases, it does it correctly.
I know, but if we need to make amendments to a release, do you want to re-upload and redistribute to the cloud? It's pretty expensive, no? Every single file?
I don't care. I don't care.
Okay. Guess I can just move them over manually too.
Yeah.
Copy the file name or whatever.
What's up, PDX Anthrax? Remove large file. Well, PDX Anthrax, sorry, I keep switching screens. I'm working on the other screen. We are preparing to launch these 2 new levels and well over 100 bug fixes since February. So it's pretty exciting right now. Kind of heads down. What are you doing, man? Why are you up this late? You should be able to see it tonight, man. Yeah. Just crossing our T, dotting our I's, and posting builds shortly. So yeah, I'll give it another 24 hours before I'll do an ad purchase call. So we have time to see if there's any show-stopping bugs. But our ROI on that's gonna be fucking hot, dude.
Yeah.
I haven't touched that button in a long time.
Hey, Piluv. I don't know if I said your name right, but thanks, man. This is the just the scene view too. Should see it in game.
Is nice.
This is very nice.
My friend PDX, he's here. My brother. You can hear him talking.
Hello.
I hope. Say something, Kyle.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, it's picking it up.
I'm about to test some large-scale destruction recording. I just fixed a bug with MassLOD too.
Oh wow.
With instantiated meshes. Having the improper scale in a complex hierarchy with multiple scale parents. So yeah, that's should be better now. What do we have here?
PDX says he can't hear you, but he says it might be on his end.
If he can hear you.
Yeah, that's what I was wondering.
No worries, Afterlife. I'm still here, typing numbers away.
Testing?
I can hear you.
No, I know that.
Okay. Yep, we are brothers.
Is that any better, Antax? Can you hear him now?
Captain Flea working on some final touches for an update tonight. Right now I'm working on LOD states of this building. And then it will be destruction of this building. It's gonna be a couple hours yet, I think. Tough to say exactly. We just gotta get everything right. It's a free game, Mr. Dude.
Is that any better, Antex?